Hi there folks, welcome to this Python Pygame project that I put together called Pipes. It's a fun little game, basically connect the pipes before the water starts flowing so that the water flow can get from the beginning to the end. It's a fun little programming project to put together. It had its own challenges, which I think we overcame. Here's a quick demonstration of how the game works. As you can see, you've got to try and get the pipes in place so that there is a path for the water to flow. That pipe's not going to help us. That pipe's not going to help. That one is not going to help. It is, of course, all set. It's randomly generating the following pipes, which is obviously not working in my favor right now. I need one of those, and I need another one of those. We can then end the round, and we'll see the water flowing through, and it will then reach the end point, which will then send us off to the next stage. Great. It's a fun little project. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you follow along with this little walkthrough. As always, as we go along, and if you find better ways of doing things, please comment them down in the comment section below. I'm always looking forward to a bit of feedback, and I always appreciate it. I hope to see you there. Cheers for now.